So in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY on a weekly time frame, after moving with huge bearish momentum for the last 2 weeks, it faced some strong price rejection in this week and closed this week with this bullish engulfing candle like this. Now as you can see on the last week, GBPJPY continued to push down on the bearish side, almost 800 pips over here, and at the start of this week, it continued to push even further down, almost 600 pips, and retested this major support zone which had this multiple major retest points which it drew way back. And after a retest on that major support zone, it faced this strong price rejection and closed the week by moving up almost 1300 pips over here. Now by seeing how GBPJPY is facing this strong price rejection on this major support zone and getting back under this uptrend channel once again with this bullish engulfing move by recovering 2 weeks bearish momentum over here, GBPJPY still looks bullish by finding strong support at this key zone over here. Now if you go to daily time frame, then you can see these other key levels which you drew on the basis of these multiple major retest points, as you can see from here and here. Now these are the key levels where GBPJPY might come down to as part of its retracements move after all this bullish engulfing move, or GBPJPY could also continue to push off if it breaks above these recent highs over here to retest this key zone or this key level over here. Now since the momentum is too high over here, we need to go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, GBPJPY after breaking and closing above this major key zone, it kind of created a structure by facing resistance at this key zone while also facing support at this key zone. As you can see, it is having a hard time making a breakout of this key zone, and it came down to make a retest on this key zone once again, currently facing support over here. Now we're gonna look for trades on the breakout of this structure from GBPJPY on the upcoming week. So on the upcoming week, if GBPJPY, while respecting this key zone as its support, even by making some fake outs, is still respecting this key zone as its support, if it makes a break and close above this high with further bullish momentum on a 30 minutes time frame, then we can start to look for trades on the long side, hoping GBPJPY to come all the way up to make a retest on this key zone in respect to a very recent uptrend line which might look something like this, and then continue to push up to retest this key zone or this key level which you saw on the daily time frame over here or all the way above here. Now if GBPJPY, instead of finding support over here at this key zone, if it makes a break and close below this key zone on a shorter time frame like a 30 minutes time frame while finding resistance at this high, then we can expect GBPJPY to continue pushing down to come all the way retest this next key zone which has this multiple retest points. As you can see over here, we have these clean candles. So GBPJPY, if makes a break and close below this major support zone with further bearish momentum on a 30 minutes time frame, then we can expect GBPJPY to continue riding these clean candles and come retest this next key zone with these retest points over here. And we can adjust this uptrend line, newly forming uptrend line, something of a like this with a retest on this key zone, hoping there was its retracements and GBPJPY might continue to push up. However, a break and close even below this key zone might lead GBPJPY to come to retest this next key level over here as part of its retracements move, forming a new uptrend line and then continue to push up. Now we can't say anything of this for sure unless we have more retests to confirm our possible uptrend line over here, or probably like 3 or 4 retests over here, and then we can confirm a possible uptrend line over here. But for now we can only speculate retracements over here and then GBPJPY to continue pushing up. So we're gonna wait to see how GBPJPY reacts to this key zone or this key zone. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart as well in the video description so you can see where all these key zones and stuffs are.